it's not just my family. Of course, my wife and my son work every fish fry, but I like to say my fish fry family, which all the workers, everybody here, there's a lot of people who support the fish fry in working and volunteering, and the joy for me is people giving themselves up on a Friday night to do something good for the school, and that brings me a lot of joy.
Well, I think that fish fry is all about community, and especially within our Catholic schools, Catholic high schools, Catholic churches. We all come together, invite the entire community to come out, regardless of what denomination you are, and to enjoy some very tasty fish, shrimp, soup, you name it. So that's why I love it. I love people.
I feel like when you're working, it can get like a little stressful, but and all, like, it's very welcoming and everybody's really nice and supportive.